In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make really awesome video ads with 3 easy tips. So step number 1, you gotta have a great hook. So a great hook will catch the viewer's attention and make sure they're like, okay, I'm open to hearing what this guy has to say. A great guy who has awesome hooks is Alex Becker. He has his hook where he pounds a mug on the table.
Give me 42.5 seconds. I'm going to show you how this dinky little sewing machine makes us over $10,000 per month from home without working for anybody and without any hard costs. You ready? Okay, let's get into it.
That's a great hook. So essentially, you want to think about various hooks in the first 5 to 10 seconds that will keep the viewer's attention so they can watch the video. And we've usually seen great hooks correlate with great CPAs. Now, number 2 is you want to actually think about what are the video creatives in your industry that are working, and then try to figure out what are the elements that they have that you can implement. So a lot of times it's pretty simple. You want to have a hook, you want to go over the benefits, call to action, etc. A lot of times in your industry, there might be video advertisers running all kinds of ads, and you can see which ones are doing really well based on how often you see them, based on the number of views, etc. So for example, in the internet marketing industry, some of the people I really like to look at for analyzing hooks are Ty Lopez for general video creative in general. Number 2, Sam Owens has great video creatives. Alex Becker, Wilco de Craig, I believe he has some great video ads. And yeah, there are a bunch of other people. And you also want to take a look at your own video ads from the past and see what has worked and not worked. So for example, one of the most successful video ads that I've run for a client where we scripted it, our agency scripted it, was basically based on analyzing, we took like the intro from one of my past fitness clients, then we combined it with internet marketing kind of scripts that were working for us. So we combined like elements from 2 different niches we worked in, and this allowed us to create a video ad that just resulted in millions of dollars of revenue. We spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on that ad, millions in revenue. It was just a really resounding success. So just always take a look at what has worked for you with different ads. Take a look at different video ads in different industries and figure out how to combine those elements. So that's number 2. Number 3 is you want to also experiment and iterate. So basically, run split tests. Run split tests with 2 different hooks, but everything else being the same. Run split tests with a call to action being somewhat different. Run split tests of the same exact video ad, but in 2 different backgrounds. You want to be running different split tests and seeing what works and doesn't work in terms of CPA. Make sure you let the ads run for long enough so you get enough data. And once you have enough data, that's where you know that, okay, hey, we've got a winning video ad here. Now we have something to work from. And then again, once you have a winning video ad, try more variations. Always be experimenting and iterating. And that's how you really have a winning video ad strategy. So to recap, put a lot of effort into the hook, put a lot of effort into finding what's been working in your industry, analyzing other people's video ads, breaking them down, like what are the different parts of my competitors' video ads that perhaps I could also implement. And number 3 is just experiment and iterate. And that's a great way to achieve YouTube ad video success in the long term.